Today, I want to start with a story that is becoming far too common in Nigeria. Just recently, news broke out of the Central Bank of Nigeria and some private firms sacking in numbers due to various administrative, economic, and operational reasons, leading to the loss of many jobs and has left many families struggling for survival. And as if that wasn't enough, there is the rise of artificial intelligence automating tasks that we once thought were untouchable. Jobs like customer service, banking, and manufacturing. This is potentially reducing the demand for human labor in Nigeria. But here's the thing: while jobs are disappearing, new opportunities are emerging. The question is, are you ready to adapt? Let me ask you, what is your plan for staying relevant in a rapidly changing world? Drop your answer in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, because in this video, I'll be discussing 3 high-income skills that can help you not only survive but thrive in this new era. Let's start with the first skill: Forex trading. Hear me out. Do you know that the global Forex market is valued at over 7.5 trillion per day? That's a trillion with a T, not billion. Forex trading allows you to make money by buying and selling different currencies and profiting from the changes in the exchange rates. And with platforms like Octa, you don't need a special degree or a huge amount to start. One thing I love about Octa is their transparency and the fact that they provide free educational resources to help you learn. So it makes it perfect for beginners and also for advanced traders. They have features like a demo account with virtual deposits to practice before going live with your own money, real-time market insights and analysis tools to help you make informed decisions, and their negative balance protection, which means that you will never lose more than you deposit. Octa is built for the modern mobile lifestyle. Whether you're relaxing at home, taking a quick break at work, or on the move, you can trade effortlessly on both the web and mobile versions of Octa. And here is the exciting part: if you sign up using the link that I'll be adding to the description of this video and make your first deposit, Octa will double it. Yes, 100% deposit bonus. For example, if you deposit $100, you will have $200 to trade with. Isn't that amazing? So, if you're ready to start and take your trading journey to the next level, then Octa is the partner you need. Click the link in the description of this video today, download the app, and use my promo code AN100 to double your first deposit and start your journey. Remember, it is not about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable trading skills that will work for you. Start small. Don't be tempted to throw in your life savings. Instead, treat it as a skill-building journey. Question for you: what's stopping you from learning Forex trading? Is it something that you've tried before, or you know someone that is into it, or something that you're considering? Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any questions, I will answer you. The next high-income skill we're going to be talking about is mastering the use of AI. That is artificial intelligence. No, I'm not saying you need to be an AI developer. I'm talking about learning how to use AI to improve your productivity. AI is taking over, and those who learn to use it will stay ahead. Businesses are using AI to automate various tasks, improve their customer service, and even generate content. Think about it. Tools like ChatGPT, ManyChat, Notion AI, Jasper AI, and so many others are already transforming the way we do various things. Here are some real-life examples. Writers are now using ChatGPT and Grammarly AI to improve and speed up their writing. Small businesses use AI to automate customer service and be able to reply to their customers fast. Marketers use AI to analyze trends and predict campaign performance. The rise of AI is not to be feared. The people who learn to use AI in this new dispensation will thrive and be ahead of others. How do you start? Identify the AI tools relevant to your field. If you're a writer, you can start with ChatGPT, and if you're into design, you can check out Canva's AI features. 2. Take free lessons on platforms like YouTube to learn and understand how these tools work. 3. Start experimenting. The more you use these tools, the better you will get with using them. AI is the future, and learning it now will give you a big advantage. Have you used any AI tools yet? If yes, which one? Which one is your favorite? Come over to the comment section. And if you haven't used any, what is stopping you? Please come to the comment section, let's discuss. Next up, we have data analysis, one of the hottest skills right now. Do you know that data is now being considered as the new oil? And companies everywhere are in need of people who can interpret it. Do you know that jobs in data analysis and data science are projected to grow by over 25% in the next 5 years? Are you getting value from this video? If yes, please hit that like button so that YouTube can spread this video to more people that like it. And that will be your way of supporting me and encouraging me to bring out more videos like this. What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of collecting, processing, and interpreting data to make informed decisions. You take raw data, work on it, and put it in an understandable form that will help businesses to be able to analyze trends, optimize performance, and solve problems. This will help them in their marketing analysis, in their inventory analysis, to predict customer behavior, and so much more. In Nigeria today, companies in industries like banking, e-commerce, healthcare, oil and gas, tech startups, telecommunication, NGOs, and even governments are desperately seeking skilled analysts. As a beginner, you can be earning around 200 to 400K, and by the time you get very skilled, you can start earning thousands of dollars. What will influence your earnings are your experience and how good you are. Also, the industry you are in. For example, finance and tech will generally pay higher. Also, your certifications will also influence your earnings. How do you start? To become a data analyst, you must learn different tools. First, get good with Microsoft Excel, SQL for data management and inquiries, Python for advanced analysis and automation, and Tableau for data visualization, and so much more. Don't let the big names scare you. Just the way you were able to start from primary school and then you advanced to secondary, and before you went to the higher education, you learned the first step, you learned those simple ABCD before you advanced to addition, and then you did multiplication. The way you advance is the way you also start from the simple tools and then advance to the more complicated tools. 2, you can learn with free courses on Coursera, on Free Code Camp, and even here on YouTube. You can also explore paid options. The second thing you then need to do is to practice with real data. Websites like Kaggle provide data sets you can use to build your portfolio. Once your portfolio is ready, you can start looking for entry-level opportunities. In fact, we have many companies that are willing to hire and train junior analysts. You can also apply for remote work opportunities on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and also join communities on Facebook of other data analysts. After gaining experience as a data analyst, you can then explore higher paying roles by going deeper into tech. Data analysis is a lucrative and high income skill right now. Tell me, does it interest you? What industry would you like to work in? So there you have it, 3 high income skills that can help you overcome job loss and thrive in a world dominated by change. Whether it is trading Forex with Octa, mastering the use of AI, or becoming a data analyst, the key is to start now. All the information and links you need are in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to join this beautiful income earning and growing community, and share this video with someone you know needs it. Remember that the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Till I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. Bye for now.